Assalamu alaikum Chatoray party, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are making quick and easy almond cookies which are filled with flavor, crispy from the outside, chewy and soft from the inside. Believe me, these are so easy to bake. Kids too can get their hands in baking these. So before Ibrahim comes, let's start. Oh! What's with the weapons? Last time in the burger video you used a sword and now a bow and arrow?
What's with eating without me?
I wasn't eating without you. I was just trying to taste it.
Lie!
Luckily I can control time and speed. Now let's eat. These are really delicious.
Cookies.
Let's see how you eat without one.
Where'd it go?
Do you guys want to learn how to make these? Then let's chatpot into it. I think he'll stay like this forever. Let's start with ingredients. All-purpose flour 130 grams, butter 110 grams, sugar 50 grams, vanilla essence half teaspoon, egg 1 large separated, crushed almonds half cup. Now for the recipe. In a large bowl add butter and sugar. Beat it well until it is light and creamy. Add vanilla essence and egg yolk. Again, beat it to combine well. Add all-purpose flour and mix it with spatula. Now slightly beat it with a beater. Don't overbeat, otherwise cookies will become hard. Now, to prepare the cookies, make 12 to 15 small round balls. Beat the egg white and dip the balls in the egg white and roll them in crushed almonds. Slightly press the dough ball in crushed almonds so that maximum almonds can stick to the dough. In this way, our cookies will be full of almonds. Like this. Now slightly press the cookies and arrange in a baking tray spacing about 2 inches apart. Oh, that is looking really nice. Bake them in a preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. And here you go. Your quick and easy almond cookies are ready. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, consider subscribing because more fun videos are coming. Hit the notification bell and the like button. See you in the next video. Bye.